everyone, Gian here. Good evening. So, let's talk about mindset. Kung gusto natin magkaroon ng successful na buhay, we have to check our mindset. Marami sa atin, we have that kind of fixed mindset. Kung ano yung mga beliefs or decision natin before, na kung saan tayo naroroon ngayon, it's all related. That's why sometimes we feel life is very hard because we decided to choose in this kind of situation in our life. At napakahirap tanggapin na we have decisions and beliefs na pinaniniwalaan, pinanghahawakan until now, until such time na hindi naman nakakatulong sa atin, or pwede makapagpabagal sa atin, or pwede pa makapagpapigil sa atin para magkaroon ng improvement sa life natin. That's why if we need something to improvement in our life, we need to adapt. Having this growth mindset na tawag. And maraming sa atin na naliligaw lang tayo na akala natin okay lang yung sitwasyon kung ano meron tayo ngayon kasi nakaka-survive tayo, but we never try na to do something more or to have something more or to achieve something more na mas mataas kung ano pa yung na-achieve natin ngayon. And that is impossible to reach if you don't have growth mindset. Yung growth mindset kasi, yung beliefs na meron ka ngayon, willing ka na i-train or palitan yung mga beliefs na alam mo makakatulong sa'yo para mas lumago ka. Meaning, you have to accept first who you are right now. And what you have right now is the product of your belief and decisions in the past. So, kung meron tayong mga bagay na hindi natin gusto kung ano meron tayo ngayon, we are the one who are decided to be in that situation. That's why we have to have a growth mindset. And where you are right now is the product of belief that you created decisions before, but you have still the chance to change that. Kung meron kang bagay na hindi mo gusto sa sitwasyon ngayon, you have to change the mindset that you have. Kailangan maniwala ka, and there is something more that you can achieve aside from the achievement that you have right now. You have to believe that there's more beyond, and you don't have to uphold on the belief that you had before. Marami pa tayong mga bagay na pwede natin gawin na makakatulong sa atin, na pwede maging successful tayo. Especially, lalo na kung pag-aaralan natin yung manual, yung Bible na meron tayo ngayon, na napakaraming tinuturo sa atin doon when it comes to mindset. Yung tamang mindset na hindi tayo maliligaw ng landas. Na hindi lang basta maririlis iba. So, yung pinaka-tamang reference para makuha natin yung mindset na kailangan natin para mas maging successful tayo sa buhay na meron tayo. And we can refer to the manual. And that is the Bible. Yung tao, nakadesign siya to dominate, to be successful, to rule. But most of us, hindi natin alam. Why? Because we don't know what is written in the manual. So, the best thing, mindset that you have right now, and to decide right now, you have to read the manual. You have to use the manual for you to have improvement in your life. You read the Bible, you apply what the written words in the Bible said, na pag in-apply natin sa buhay natin, tatama yung direksyon natin sa buhay para mas ma-achieve pa natin yung dapat natin ma-achieve sa goal natin, sa life natin. Napakarami. Pero, sabi nga, we have to first acknowledge that there is something more that we can do. There's something achievement that is more, na much better if we know what is the principles that teaches the Bible, especially the right mindset. It's totally amazing, totally new ideas and principles that you can apply in your life, and how amazing it was and how powerful it was, because when you apply that, it really works. Now, for you to experience that, you have to apply and you have to use the Bible when it comes to principles in life. And one of the best thing is, if you are seeking for the right mindset, you have to read the Bible. That is the basic manual, and it totally blow your mind. It totally created a good result. Imagine, marami na palang, kumbaga, available na eh. Andiyan na, nasa harapan na natin eh. Kaya lang hindi natin ginagamit. Because wala tayong alam. It's a lack of knowledge. But once you read the manual, it was written all the needed that we want in life for us to be successful. Andiyan na pala sa harapan natin. Kailangan na lang natin, basahin natin, alamin natin, apply natin sa buhay natin right now. Once you read the Bible, apply it for you to have the knowledge, that a new mindset that will lead you to become more successful in life. And you will discover who you really are, your potentials, and who you can be. So, it will teach you the best mindset that you can ever have in your life. Thank you, everyone, and God bless.